Good morning. Welcome to the airport. May I see your passport, please? Certainly. Here is my passport. Thank you. Where are you flying today? I'm flying to New York for a business trip. Great. Do you have any checked baggage? Yes. I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. Please place your suitcase on the scale. Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from Gate 12. Boarding starts at 9:15 a.m. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful trip. Excuse me, where can I find the security checkpoint? Go straight ahead and turn left. You will see the security entrance. Thank you. Do I need to remove my laptop from my bag? Yes. Please take out your laptop and place it in a separate tray. Also remove your jacket and empty your pockets. No problem. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Please proceed to the security scanner and have a pleasant flight. Excuse me, is this the line for flight 245 to New York? Yes, you're in the correct line. May I see your boarding pass? Of course. Here it is. Thank you. Boarding will begin in about 15 minutes. Great. Is the flight on time today? Yes. Everything is running on schedule. That's wonderful news. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please listen for the boarding announcement. Attention, passengers. Flight 245 to New York is now boarding. We would like to welcome passengers in Group 1 first. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. Thank you for your cooperation. Group 2 will board shortly after. We appreciate your patience. We hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Hello. Could you please tell me where Gate 12 is? Certainly. Walk straight ahead, then take the escalator to the second floor. You will see Gate 12 on your right. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Is there enough time before boarding? Yes, you still have about 30 minutes. That's perfect. I'll head there now. I'm feeling a little hungry. Is there a restaurant near Gate 12? Yes, there is a coffee shop and a restaurant just around the corner. Great. I'd like a sandwich and a bottle of water. That will be $12, please. Here you are. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thanks. Everything looks delicious. Excuse me, my flight has been delayed. Can you tell me the new departure time? Certainly. Your flight will now depart at 2:30 p.m. We apologize for the inconvenience. That's okay. Will the departure gate remain the same? Yes, it will still depart from Gate 12. Thank you for the information. Good afternoon. May I have your passport and boarding pass, please? Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. Everything looks good. You may proceed to the aircraft. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant journey. Thanks. I'm excited for this trip. Welcome aboard. Your seat number is 18A by the window. Great. Could you help me place my suitcase in the overhead bin? Of course. Here you go. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please fasten your seatbelt. The aircraft will depart shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Please fasten your seatbelts and turn off your mobile phones or switch them to airplane mode. Our flight to New York will take approximately 6 hours. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for flying with us today. We wish you a safe, comfortable, and pleasant flight.